So your bike chain and your free wheel are now nice and clean, but if you're anything like me, some of the dirt and the grime and the grease has come off of that chain and onto your hands. Now, before we do anything else, it's a good idea to wash our hands so that we don't get any dirty handprints all over the place. So, to do this, we can use the CHEPARK Degreasing Hand Cleaner. Now, we can use this just the same as any soap, but this is especially good for oils, lubricants, dust, anything that might come off of your chain onto your hands. We just give it one pump. There we go. And we're going to rub our hands just to pick up all of that grease, all of that grime. This has an environmentally friendly formula, so it's safe on my hands and absolutely safe to use in any normal sink as well. Here we go. And you can see all of that dust and grime absolutely disappeared.